Welcome to this stunning equestrian farm in Tennessee, featuring 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. Sits on 107 private acres with breathtaking mountain views. The property also features a hay barn, chicken coops, RV hookups, and a spacious workshop. This southern style estate offers luxurious equestrian facilities including a 4-stall barn, hot and cold wash bay, tack room, and horse run-in shelters. The main residence boasts a spacious open floor plan, chef's kitchen, and a peaceful master retreat. Enjoy the wrap-around porch, trails, and 4 ponds, one of which is stocked. Perfect for horse lovers, farmers, and those seeking total privacy, this estate delivers it all. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.